Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to play in a palette that this is from a company I've never tried before, and it was a company I wanted to give a try, and this is from Menagerie Cosmetics. This is the Killer Purr palette, and it looks like this right here. It is a little bit more toned down than what I am used to, but I think this gives a really nice smoky grunge look, like the warm tones. So I think that's kind of where I'm going to go with this. I'm probably not playing the oranges, but I think I'm going to go with some of the yellows and browns and green with this particular palette. So got ABH eye primer going on the eyes, and we'll get this party started. Menagerie does really amazing job with like their animal themed palettes. And the one that I really would like to get my hands on is the Whale Song palette. I think that the colors in that are absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, obviously, like there are quite a few actual palettes. They sell out and it's hard to get their palettes. So I was just happy to be able to get this one, to be able to try out this formula and keep my eye out for any new releases that they come out with. So we're going to get in this. This is an indie brand. We all know my indie brand love. There is still the plastic on this mirror. You're welcome. All right. So let's get into this look. Let's go ahead and give this a couple of minutes to dry down. Okay, yeah, it's dried down. I think I want to go in with Curb, which is kind of a mustardy yellow, and I'm going to kind of do that all around the perimeter. Ooh, I love the pigment on this for sure. And what I think I'm going to do is just let you guys, I am really digging the speed tutorials. And so until I pull you guys in, I'm going to find out if you guys like the speed tutorials or the chatty videos the best. I think I'm going to continue to do these speed tutorials with some music. So I hope you enjoy the music that I selected, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, guys, this is my final look. I am loving this look. This is what I had envisioned when I saw this palette. This kind of smoky green, grungy look, and yeah, I'm digging it. So, in here, you know, using some of the shimmers underneath and bringing some of that brown and green and a little bit of the mustard yellow, just kind of combining it all underneath. And I even decided to go green in the waterline, and I went with Urban Decay Mildew in the waterline, and then I just did the dark up top. I am wearing Made with Love Cosmetics eyelashes. I'm also on the highbrow, and in the inner corner I used Gold Breaker in the Jeffree Star highlighter palette, Brain Freeze palette. Also on my lips is Curse Cosmetics in Elemental. Love this color. Absolutely love Elemental. I think it just kind of ties in. I just got an email from Curse Cosmetics as soon as that came. They have their lippies $8 right now. So just letting you know, but you probably won't see this until later on. But I made another order with Curse Cosmetics. Anyways, so yes, I just think that this lip ties in with this look. And for my cheeks, I'm wearing Kat Von D. This is my favorite blush. It's Rosebud and Kat Von D. Let's see here. On my face, I am wearing the Hollywood Flawless Filter underneath, just kind of give it a glow. And then I mixed my Chanel Ultra Limited Tint and the Il Makiage together and layered it over top of that there. I used the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray, and then I used the Kaleidos on my actual cheekbone for highlighter in Space Age. That's what I used there. I wasn't sure if the Jeffree Star one was going to be a little too golden for my cheekbone, but I really think these are the exact same color. So it worked out really well. So that is everything that is on my face. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys all have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.
I give you my heart.